In today's Truth or Trend, we're talking about activated charcoal. You've probably seen it out on social media feeds, at grocery store on the shelves, as being sold as a way to maybe zap that acne away. Some people swear by it, and with the rise of popularity, we wanted to know, well, does it really work? According to our research, the American Academy of Dermatology does not endorse it as a treatment for your skin. So Dr. Lares is here from Phoenix Skin Medical Surgical Group, live in studio, and you say the same thing, kind of a thumbs down for activated charcoal.
For sure. Activated charcoal is great for clearing impurities from our water. It can be even life-saving if you swallow poison. They use it to bind that poison and pull it back out, but it does very little for the skin.
So yeah. I did purchase one of the little heating masks with the activated charcoal, which feels so nice.
Yes.
But does it harm, or does it really just not do much?
I don't think it harms unless you do the really heavy activated charcoal and it gets in the pores and it can actually plug the pores.
Okay, so we're saying nay on the charcoal. It's a trend, but you have an alternative that really is pretty non-invasive. Very
non-invasive and very nice. We do kind of a triple whammy treatment in our office.
Okay.
We do a microdermabrasion lightly.
That is what?
That is a suction-assisted device that pulls the dead skin cells off of the surface and out of the pores.
Why are we pulling dead skin cells out of the pores?
Because the pores get plugged by those cells.
Okay.
And people that are prone to acne actually have cells that are stickier than normal.
Okay.
And so they need a little help.
Okay, so I'm seeing just a little bit of red.
She'll be pink after treatment today, but only for an hour or less, and she can make up right after treatment.
Oh, very nice. Okay, so that's part one of three.
Part one of three.
Number two.
Then the next thing we do is a glycolic acid peel. And the glycolic acid is a fruit acid, so it's very safe and it can be used on all skin types. And so we just do it for a minute, and what that does is it dissolves those cells that I said were sticky within the pore and breaks them down so that they can be cleaned out by your system.
And I have actually tried this, and it is very quick. It's just
quick.
on there for a few minutes.
Right.
A little tingling just from my experience, but it's nothing that you would even have to worry about or
No. It's really light and easy, and it gets in those pores and dissolves those cells.
All right.
And then the third prong of the treatment is this LED light system. LEDs have been shown to do a couple great things for us. This is a combination red-blue light. The blue kills bacteria. It can penetrate down into the bacteria that's deep in the pores and kills those bacteria. That's what makes us break out, the bacteria on the skin, the plugged pores, and the excess oils.
Are we able to turn the light on, or is that just an unsafe thing?
No, we can turn the light on.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about those.
Eye shields on her.
Okay.
And because we always want to protect the eyes and corneas, because it can penetrate through the lid, right? And so the red light, we said there's red and blue. The blue kills bacteria. The red light actually will reduce inflammation.
And so if someone comes in for this, how long are they underneath the light?
So the light is a 10 to 15 minute treatment, depending, and it's, you don't feel anything. It doesn't hurt. It just feels a little warm.
It looks relaxing.
It can be relaxing.
All right, we have before and after, and so tell us what we're seeing right here.
So this is the triple treatment. This is just the treatment that we talked about before and after. It takes about 2 to 4 treatments to start to see something. So it can be pretty dramatic, and even the red-blue light treatment by itself has been shown to be as effective as topical medications. So it's pretty amazing stuff.
I'm very impressed. And so you have a new skin spa, essentially, where people can get these treatments.
Yes.
How do they find you?
Well, Phoenix Skin Medical Surgical Group. We're phoenixskin.com.
Fantastic. Thanks. Great information. Activated charcoal, thumbs down. It is just a trend.
Correct.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.